Hello world, how are you doing? More mouths to feed every day, and more food bluntly wasted at the same time. Hello food industry, how are you doing? More mouths to feed in restaurants and corporate canteens at a competitive price. Obviously, a social change in perspective is taking place at dazzling speed, in which more healthy and delicious food has to come to the people in public spaces, thereby meeting higher safety, economic and ultimately quality parameters. Transporting and storing ingredients, preparation, serving and the actual consumption of food is increasingly happening at different places and at different times. Meet Reba, a leading provider of kitchen solutions for professional catering and household use that already revolutionized the so-called food flow in the industry with Gastronorm, an efficient, multi-way, multi-purpose, space-saving system for food storage, transport, cooking and serving tools that has been the de facto standard since 1964. To Reba, the next step in taking on the global food industry's challenges is clear. The Gastronorm hardware has to be interconnected and made intelligent. Now food, hardware and the people that work with them become transparent, and the food flow is digitally organized. Organized for more, safer, healthier, nutritious food. Organized so eventually the system can respectfully manage our limited resources like water, energy and time, thus allowing the world and its inhabitants to benefit. Meet Check, digital temperature management in accordance with HACCP. As a company specializing in identifying deficiencies in complex food flow processes, Reba has developed a vision, and their vision has already materialized in a market-ready digital service, Check, that is to be seen as an integrated part of the holistic concept. Check is a giant leap towards completing the vision of an intelligent food processing system that economically realizes the multi-way concept, doing away with the enormous waste in resources that, for example, goes into food packaging alone. Now the stainless steel Gastronorm hardware is becoming transparent in a practical anytime, anywhere system, offering 3 integrated elements: Mobile Check, Auto Check, and the Check Cockpit, where all data comes together. Mobile Check consists of a mobile app wirelessly connected to a core temperature probe that makes it easier for service staff to methodically capture food temperature, which is then wirelessly transmitted in Check's central nerve system as big data. AutoCheck mounts up existing hardware, such as fridges, carrier boxes, and hot counters to permanently capture food-critical data. A manager has perfect control over his food flow, globally and mobile, laid out in his Check Cockpit through data analysis. The web-based Check application features a clear and visual language for all the integrated components that make for a controlled and intuitive user experience on multiple mobile devices. Extensive prototyping, use cases and scenario analysis result in an ingenious system that looks and feels easy and accessible to operate in the daily hectic life of professional kitchen staff, independent of location and time. With Check, Reba offers a tool to keep food safe and to save on resources. The response from the food industry is overwhelmingly positive, and Reba's Check is about to make some big waves. So next time you see a stainless steel Gastronorm container, take another good look. It might just have turned mighty smart. Reba, get organized for better food.